Your first shot with circlers. And that was your second one. What you can do is, now that you shot, you know it comes to the floor. Now your brain is like, okay, push it down. Taste my supersonic love. I think we're getting closer. Don't stop now. Higher than a supernova. Don't look down.
Getting higher. Still.
That's why your very first shot was like almost perfect because you didn't know about the recoil yet.
Yeah, you smashed it.
Oh my god, that's so low. Oh, look at it right through the mouth.
Look at that!
Yeah, but not on the face.
Look, that counts as headshot.
Wait, did you get them all?
Yeah.
Oh,
Stop! What do I get, Harry?
yeah. Told you, Skittles.
Skittles?
Yeah, Skittles.
The lollies?
Yeah.
I thought you meant skills, as in...
No, you don't have Skittles, you just get Skittles.
Yes! Look at that!
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Put that in the background so you can see it.
Huh?
Stand there.
Yep.